Hello everyone, welcome back to the Pura Tech. In today's video, I'll go through the steps to create your very first email campaign in Mailchimp. Whether you are new to marketing or just new to Mailchimp, I will show you all the steps you need to know when you are creating a mail campaign in Mailchimp. So let's get started. First things, you need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you are on the dashboard, you will see various options, tools. For this video, I am mainly focusing on creating an email campaign. So let's head over to the campaigns tab. To start a new campaign, click on the campaign button, and then from there will be pop-up menu. So with the different types of campaigns you can create, you can select from there. Okay, so you can see different types of campaigns list here. So I'm going to create the new one. To click create, and then just choose this design. Then give it a name. So maybe oops. Website feedback. Okay, that's done. Then you can edit your recipient, so your audience. I have a 34, you can see here, so I don't need to edit, so I'm ready to send them. And from this is my account, what is the subject line? So you can add the subject line, you can write maybe 50% off all new product. And you can preview the text here, so and then just save. That's done. And then send time, so you can edit your send times, or if you want to send now you don't need to edit. So when you edit your time, so you can schedule a time, so you just click, and if you want to send now just click here. So schedule a time, so you can see they ask me to upgrade. So when you upgrade your plan, so you can pick the date here and the delivery time, etc. Then you can save here. But I just click like send now and save. And then my content, so I'm going to design the content in my email template. So there is multiple choice you can choose from, free version or even upgrade. There will be so many option to choose. So you can see on here, so you can create a scratch, start from a scratch, then you can custom your design, then you can bold one, then you can see which one is free, so they show you here. And then this is the gallery, so you just use only image. This is for survey, this is for SMS, quick SMS. Then you can sell the product, then different columns you can add. Then you can tell a story, then welcome email, then you can make an announcement. They can choose that. Then so many different option here, but I'm just creating from scratch and just apply. Okay, so they automatically choose my website because I was create few of them from my website, recent website. So they automatically uh, show me the logo and company name here. Then you can add image. Uh, to do this, you need to just drag and drop image here, or even if you want to add image, you just upload and just I just show you maybe the quick one. Just randomly pick one and then insert. Then you can delete. You can move to another folder. Like you can separate the images in different folder. Then you can see like the newest first, smallest first, largest, A to Z. So short and by. And then you can deselect wall. You can and then just click insert, and your picture is insert here. And you can edit, you can replace, so you can edit this image. And then when you are ready, you can custom from here. You can use landscape, square, and then white. And then when you're happy with this, save and close. So just save and close. There will be de-add your image, and then you can replace there. And then on your right side, oops, on your right side you can see there is a add duplicate block. So if you are like same blocks to add, like you can see the same block here, then you can delete. Then you can see on your menu bar, so you can uh, put the image on the left hand side, central, right. So you can play around with this. And if you want to add any link, so you can link, so the when the um, like your visitors will be click this image, so they will bring those site. And then you can add the alt text, so people will be know like when clicking this image where they will be uh, visit. And then color, you can choose then paddings. And then that's all from here. Then visibility, so you need to upgrade for this. And then just go back. I will add a couple of contents here. So if you want to add some maybe heading, so just add maybe our top products products here. That's all. If you want to duplicate, just right click here. There will be different similar box available under this. And then go back again. I want to add maybe different paragraphs under this. So okay, so maybe no, I delete this. I just add the product under this, and then you just add typing anything you like. I might add something maybe something like you can see select our by click button below. Okay, so to do this, you can add the button. So you can add the button here, and you can add the text here. And if you want to add the link, so here the link, and you can add the text. So text would be click now. Okay, you can type this here. 1 second. Okay. Okay, so then you can type here like click now, and then you can use the different colors, the text. So I use maybe this color so you can see clearly. And then if you want a space under this, so you just press this and make it a little bit of space, and then add something else. So maybe another image or any video, and then when you're happy with this, maybe I add a couple of them. So and then maybe on the end you can add maybe social media here, and then add all the links below here. So click one here and then just add the social link under this, and then when the visitors click, so they will be straight to this media page. And then if you want a survey, you add survey. So because it's a feedback form, so you can add the survey on the under below. So just drag and drop, and this is like product. If you want to add more product on middle of this page, just drag and drop. That's all. You could design like that way. And then if you want to add the logo on the here, just add it there, and it's automatically there. Just upload the image. If you want to center, left, right, and then you can do padding. Then background color you can choose maybe green. So the page background colors, wherever you click, you can choose the different colors, make it different or visible to read for your visitors, or make it more um, better the templates look, you know. So you can play around and design the templates as you want. And then lastly is when you are happy with this like template, so it's you just need to delete that. Okay, so when you are happy with this, if you want to change this section, you can change, and you can use different code from here. Then you can design from here, then you can edit the information. So just click here, and then you can retype all all the text below. So that shouldn't be this. So your company name here, address, then um, anything you want to add here, so you can add. And then that will be all for like creating new mail campaign for uh, your company, or for yourself, or for your business in Mailchimp. And just it's very important to make sure before you send these templates, you definitely need to preview and test these templates. So you can preview here. So what this look like? So there is a different option. This is the desktop. Then mobile will be look like that. And then you can see from your inbox. So you need to upgrade to do this, and then send the email. See, this is only for test, so you can add the email address here and then send. So when you are happy with this, then you can finally save, and you can save and exit now. And there is a couple of options here, so you can use like the size, your content size, paragraphs. If you use in paragraphs, so you can put the different heading, and then different style, and then text color, and there is so many different option to use. So you can play around here. So this is the link, if you want to use link. uh, so for now, just save and exit. So you can see my beautiful mail campaign templates is ready, and you can finish later, and then you can preview again. You can send a test email again from here. Then if you want to edit your audience, so you can edit, and then finally you just send. So when you click the send button, then let me check, because I don't want to send this template to someone. When you send this template, click the send button, and then Mailchimp will be create a unique link. Then you can save this. It's automatically saved on your dashboard, so you can copy and paste on your email and send it to the recipient, and they will reply your feedback forms, and then you can view your analytic from the dashboard. So it's here, so analytic, so you can see like your when you clicking the marketing dashboard, so you can able to see their performance, so where they from, what country, how long they visit, and uh, what is their feedback um, delivery details. So all you you just click this button, and you can view on your dashboard. So it's so much, so you can see how many percent all the responses. So that's all for this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like, share, subscribe my channel for latest tech tips and update. Until then, thank you very much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.